Today's tiny tutorial is a short montage I put together with some commentary. It just depicts my own process in making stickers. After scanning my art in at 600 dpi and saving it as a TIFF file, I've opened it up in Adobe. I create a first layer where my original ink drawing is on, and after cleaning it up, I multiply that layer and create another layer where I start painting. In another tutorial in the future, I'll go in more depth to what I'm doing here, but mostly I'm just finishing up the piece, adding the color and the finishing touches. Now I'm merging all the layers so I can open up a new spread and place it along with all the other finished stickers to create a sticker sheet. I'm going through and making sure to use the measuring tool. You can drag the guidelines down and measure it in inches. I like my stickers to be between 2 and 4 inches. So I've prepped my Canon Pro 100 inkjet printer, and I am using weatherproof matte inkjet sticker paper from Online Labels. I'll be listing all of my resources and tools used to make my stickers in the description below, and I'd love to be in touch with any other creator who uses the same things or found a better way to use their tools. Because this is my first run, I'm going to be looking for differences between my computer screen and the stickers. Happy to report that on the sticker paper, all the colors are really true to form. Now is the next part, which is the most tender love and care part, the cutting process. I cut all my stickers by hand. I have been thinking of investing in a sticker cutting machine, but this is where I'm at right now with my business, and I think it just adds that personal touch. I just wanted to give some background. I started producing my own stickers less than a year ago, so I'm still at the very beginning stages of learning how to properly produce stickers, but it's been a fun process learning. And here you can see is the sticker I began with in its final stages. I've always loved stickers, so I was pretty determined to teach myself how to produce them. I just think they're really fun and a unique way to personalize your items. And as an artist, it's a great way to share your work and have people take your art wherever they go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that as I learn, we can learn together. So please like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you thought of this video, and stay tuned for more.